I think that the most important thing to know about the Basic Needs Center and what we do is that we provide community to people, and whether they are facing challenges or not, all students are welcome, and we love seeing their faces and we love seeing them interact with each other. Our goal is that when a student walks into the door, they are met with another student who they feel more comfortable with, and our pro staff work behind the scenes to make sure that we are able to do that. Our team is really great at seeing where there are gaps, whether it's in our work or in the university or whatever, and we are super creative in our problem solving to make sure that people are able to fill those gaps. Relationships are crucial to our work, whether that's just between student to student during our peer conversations and knowing that there's trust there and knowing that we are there no matter what the circumstances, but also like with our campus partners, with our community partners who are also trying to make sure that people in our community do have a space where they feel welcome and safe. One of my favorite aspects of my job is being able to work with a team of peers that I probably would not have met otherwise. I really hope my peers look at me as somebody who supported them and had their back and wanted the best for them, and I really hope that I have helped them along the way, and they look back and see me with a smile, hopefully. I feel like Human Services really has my heart.